everyone, today we're going to cover reporting and how you can leverage MS Access.
Fact is, in IT, you need to keep growing your IT skills. Okay, so let's cover the elephant in the room. What about Excel?
So don't get me wrong, Excel is a great tool. The only thing is, if you're dealing with multiple VLOOKUPs, multiple tabs, thousands of records, and more columns than the alphabet, you may want to consider a relational database tool, at least to supplement your Excel work.
But I already have Tinder. What do I need this MS Access relational database thingy for?
One of the key benefits of MS Access in a program is its data management capabilities. It makes it quite easy to access and maintain your program data. For today's demo, I will cover on the agenda how MS Access handles data within tables, within queries, and reports. So here's what the MS Access interface generally looks like. You've got your tables on the left side here. Under them are the queries, which is basically searching for information in the tables. And then you got your reports that you can make from either the table or queries as a source. This file, for example, could represent your Clarity PPM download of actual data on a weekly basis or a monthly basis. This would then get imported into MS Access. You can extend that data to calculate a EAC and then replace data on a week-to-week basis to see how your EAC goes up or down. Queries help you filter your data for what may interest you. For Power BI users, this interface may look a little familiar. As an example, let's say you wanted all the data for this year only. So you could just go into the criteria section for the field and type in greater than January 1. This will then prepare your data with all of this year's content. Once you've narrowed down your data, you can easily build a report around it using the report wizard. Then you just double click that report to see it come alive. You can scroll right to the bottom to see where you were standing with your estimate at completion. As you update your data table, this number will also update to let you know if you're ahead or behind schedule.
This has been Depeche Mystery. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.